everybody, this is Gary from Spartan Cycle, Clinton Township, Michigan. Today I'm going to introduce to you a new brand that we've added to our dealership. They're Royal Enfields, the oldest and longest continuously produced motorcycles in the world. These bikes have been made in continuous production since 1901. What we have here today are some 2017s, and everything I have here is a Royal Enfield Classic in various colors, and I do have one Continental GT. Come in several colors, and they also come in a very popular military version. Got, you know, like your Air Force and your Marine color here, the Desert Tan, the Squadron Blue, and this is the most popular one here in the military green. All 500 singles. They are fuel injected. The price point on these bikes are phenomenally low for such a very nice quality bike. Everything on it's metal. This bike retails at $54.99, and if I go around it, very nice metal construction throughout. All the fenders are metal, side panels are all metal, nicely polished aluminum. Welds, fit, and finish of these bikes are very high, and at a super affordable price. This is their Continental GT, and this bike retails at $59.99. Also fuel injected, little fancier shock setup. Here's a really cool thing on these Enfields. So let me show you this. You won't see this on too many bikes unless you're over at the dirt bike store. And I'm not going to start it, but look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Kickstart. Recently, myself and a bunch of Spartan employees took a trip down to Cleveland to check out the newest motorcycles at the International Motorcycle Show, and we're going to flash to some of the latest models that'll be coming this spring. This is Gary from Spartan Cycle. We're at the Cleveland International Motorcycle Show with Royal Enfield. Get in on early because we're probably only going to get 3 or 4 of these for the year. It says Himalayan. These are $4,500. This is their dual sport bike. Really, really nice motorcycle. Get a load of the bags on this thing. This is like something you'd see on a BMW GS. Look at the ruggedness of this motorcycle. These new Himalayans are going to be right around $4,500, $44.99, and we're getting 3 of them initially. Should be coming in the spring, maybe March or April. So if you're interested in one of these, I would definitely look at putting in a deposit soon. This is brand new color for 2018 in stealth black. This is pretty sharp looking. All blacked out on the top, blacked out wheels, blacked out motor, blacked out exhaust. I think this bike's going to be a hit. It's going to be a really nice looking color for the Enfield line. So if you're interested in one of these Royal Enfields, remember we can get you into these bikes with low down payments and as little as $99 a month. For more details, just contact myself, Gary, or my salesperson, Brian. And remember, everybody, ride safe.